Another big story we're following. The city of Alameda confirms it has reached a more than $11 million settlement with Mario Gonzalez's mother and son. Gonzalez died in police custody in April of 2021. The Alameda County Coroner's Office ruled the death a homicide and that the officers who restrained him contributed to his passing. Crowd 4's Luke Jagal spoke with the attorneys who negotiated the civil rights lawsuit for the family.
Flowers memorializing Mario Gonzalez continue to remind those who pass by them about the tragic death of the 26-year-old on April 19, 2021. That's when body camera footage shows 3 Alameda police officers responding to neighbor complaints about him acting erratically. They eventually cuffed and pinned him to the ground. He lost his breath and died at a hospital. Officers Eric McKinley and Cameron Leahy remain actively employed with the police department. Officer James Fisher has moved on to another agency.
Our civil rights are precious. Human life is precious. And $11 million pales in comparison to the loss that we've all experienced and that little Mario will continue to experience.
Attorney Michael Haddad and his law firm, Haddad and Sherwin, negotiated an $11 million federal civil rights lawsuit against the city of Alameda and the 3 officers involved in Gonzalez's death, which will be awarded to Gonzalez's 7-year-old son.
It's significant. It's going to change little Mario's life. And it's important because it vindicates Mario Gonzalez. And it really shows that what the Alameda police did, in fact, caused his death, and it was unlawful.
In a statement, the city of Alameda says, quote, the parties further agreed that the settlement should not be construed as an admission by any party of liability or of any fact that might give rise to liability for any purpose. The city of Alameda remains committed to full transparency and accountability in the tragic death of Mario Gonzalez and extends our heartfelt condolences to his family and loved ones.
The family had to fight for these resolutions. And now that they have resolved this fight, they can now focus on healing and moving forward as a family.
Civil rights attorney Adante Pointer and his law firm Lawyers for the People negotiated the $350,000 settlement with the city and officers involved on Gonzalez's mother's behalf.
It was very important to us that we not allow his death to be swept under the rug, but instead take legal action in order to show not only his family and his son, but also the community that police can be held accountable when they do these awful things.
The Alameda County Coroner's Office ruled the death a homicide. An independent autopsy determined Gonzalez died from restraint asphyxia. The district attorney's office declined to comment on whether or not it is still considering criminal charges against the officers. In Alameda, Philippe Jagal, Cron 4 News.